All right, guys, I'm Chris, and the cameraman behind you is Tim. This is Restoration Rescue, and this is going to be our 1 year in review video. We're going to take you all the way back from step one, all the way to where we are today, and show you what we've done and accomplished in this 1 year. All right, so here it is. This is our truck so far. There is enough parts and tools and metal in here to make a complete truck, but we haven't gotten there yet. It's been a long road to get here, but this is what we've done so far. Obviously here we have rebuilt the entire engine with the help of Gino, Mickey, and a couple other friends who've been here and around. We rebuilt this thing. It sounds amazing. It is a Chevy 305 small block. Then we come back here, we completely rebuilt this transmission and brought it back to life. We are keeping that old stock 305 and the 3 on the tree. Then we come back here, we sandblasted our rear end, we sandblasted our drive shaft. We've redone our brakes, we put in brand new springs, new shocks, and our brakes we've converted all over to 4-wheel discs so that when we're going fast, we actually know and 100% stop on a dime. So we don't have to worry about anything. We put new brake lines in. Pretty much everything on this truck is pretty new. We've sandblasted this frame all the way down and repainted it. But now we're gonna come over here and look at what we have in the future of what's coming along. We have the rest of the rust repair to handle. We have completed pretty much the other side, as you can see, and it's looking pretty good. But we have some holes left that we have to plug up and get together, and then hopefully get this thing on there. But right now we're going to switch over to montage and show you how we've got to today. right, so that is a year in review about how we've gotten all the way here. Obviously, we started as Keen's Cars right at the beginning, but we changed over to Awesome Restoration Rescue. Thanks to Tim getting us here. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel to see how far we can come along in the next year, see what projects we start, and how far we can come along. But this is going to be a wrap for today's video. We hope to see you guys next Saturday when we continue ripping on the C10.